Welcome back to my channel. Today I came with another video. This regarding this is built-in Teka brand oven. This oven is working, but problem while running time, while working time, at that time getting hot inside. At the same time, it's burning. Something burning. Customer complained to us. We went to the customer house and we will check what is the problem exactly. We found the problem. This glass already broken here. This glass already broken. This is tempered glass. This glass having middle the plastic that while getting heat in time, this plastic things, plastic paper, otherwise this polyester paper, it's getting burning. Because of that, customer got scared and stopped the machine and called to us. Also, she didn't allow to repair at his house. Because of that only we collected. Now we are going to repair this one. We have to replace anyway. We have to replace this glass, and we will check what we can do. We have to remove this one, this part here, one lock. While pressing, we have to pull out. It's coming like that. This side also same. Now very easy to take it out. It's like that. This is the lock. Now we can remove these 4 screws. Remove these screws. It is halangi type. This one you can see it is coming double glass. Here 2 glass. This is outer glass. Inner 2 glass is coming like that. We have to remove this one safely. And after that we can take it out. It's like that we can take. Now you can see this glass. It is already here. Another for the safety, another plate also here. Now we have to remove this through this lock all. After that only we can take the glass out. First we have to remove this side lock. Is the lock like that. All the lock same. Have to remove. This one is coming like that. So many locks are there. Huh? Now we removed already here. We have to remove all the screws are here. After that we can take the glass out and we will remove the screws. Now I already remove all the screws. Now glass will come like that. We have to careful. We have to collect all the screws. Now this is glass guard. Now this glass already gone. This one tempered glass. Now we have to fix the same glass here. Glass. This one from the another cooker. but the problem, you know, it is not fixing here properly, but as a technician we have to do some modification. Because of that I am willing to fix this one, and what I am going to do, and this angle I'm fixing after keeping safety guard, safety cover. This one I can fix only the this side and this side, two screws, that is enough. We have to hold the glass only without falling down, and now I have to do that modification. Anyway, I'm using this glue also, this silicone. This is RTV, high temperature gasket marker maker, especially for high temperature, non-100 Celsius degree temperature we can use for this silicone, this gasket maker. I'm using for this because I can fix two screws also here. Nothing to worry about the gas safety. Also, anyway, this one tempered glass. Now I will fix and show you how to do that. To fix the glass this angle, because here I can use two screws. Also here also two screws I can use. Because of that I'm using this angle. I'm fixing glue here to here, and this 4 area I can use glue from here to there, and from here to there I can use the glue. Enough glue, now we can fix the glass, this angle. Now it will come like that. Now you can see here, no any issue. Also this one also I can fix now. I will use here also glue. Can fix this one. Also now I can fix screws. Fix that screw. Also this side also I can fix the screw. Here also I fix one, also here one. I can fix another screws. Now I already fixed. Now you can see here, no any issue. This is okay. Now we remove the, we can fix this one also. It's all the lock, it has to be fixed properly. to the door here. It should come like that. Sorry, other way, other side should come like that. Now it's okay. Now I have to fix 4 screws are here. Now we have to fix 4 screws are here. Now I already fixed the glass and door, everything perfect. Now you can see this one also tempered glass. No, don't worry. Now I have to fix. Now I have to fix the guard, safety lock guard here. That will come. Now my job is completed, dear friends. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thanks for watching my channel.